You will make numerous on-the-job presentations that will vary in the amount of preparation they require, the time they last, and by the audience and occasion for which they're intended. Let's take a look at the types of business presentations. Here are some presentations you can expect to make frequently before different audiences in the world of work. Presentations for your customers or your clients. Sales appeals stressing how and why your company's products or services meet the listener's needs. Scenarios about why your company is better than the competition. Demonstrations of your products or services and tours of a company facility. For your boss, like a progress or a status report on how a project is going, an assessment of your job accomplishments, a justification of a budget, your own position, or your department and division, as well as a summary or of a conference or a meeting that you attended. For your coworkers, like an end-of-the-shift report such as those made by police officers and nurses, an explanation of new or revised policy, a training session about job safety, operating equipment or new software, or a briefing about new job assignments or tasks. For community leaders or groups, like appeals before elected officials, an explanation of your group's decision or activity, and an update on completing a public works project. Successful business presentation begins with recognizing that initially your audience does not care much about your information or what you want to accomplish. The reality is, your audience cares about how your information affects them.